Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how can you make a sticky header using Elementor for completely free. So let me show you how can you do it. So first of all, you just need to log into your WordPress website, then go to your WordPress dashboard. From here, just click on plugins. So from here, click on add plugin. So I just opened it in a new tab here. So from here, just search for Elements Kit. So I will show you the plugin that we need to install and activate. So here is the plugin Elements Kit Elementor add-ons and templates. So you just need to install and activate this plugin. So I will click on activate. Then again, you just need to click on add plugin and here search for sticky header. So I will show you the sticky header here as well and the sticky header plugin. So here just install this plugin sticky header effects for Elementor and then just click on activate. So here it is. And now let me just go back again. Just refresh my this tab. So here you can see in your dashboard on the left hand side here you can see a section elements kit. So here it is. Just click on add footer here and from here just click on add new template. So I have already made this template, so I am making a new template for you guys. So we'll just click on add new template here, then I will give it a title. So for example my header, and then tab is header, condition is entire site. Make sure the condition is entire site and just click on here on, then just click on edit content. So here just click on here plus icon and then I will click on flex box here and then I will choose these three containers here and then I will just click on here six dots and here I will make the content width here full width and then I will just go to the style tab here and go to the background tab and I will make the color here black. Here it is. So on the left hand section I will go to my widget section here and search for image. So I will just drag and drop the image section here and here I will just insert my logo on the left hand side. So here it is and the style is totally up to you. So for example I am making it 60, let me make it 66. So here it is and then I will just click on the internal container on the left hand side and I will make the justify content center and align item center here as well. So on the middle section I will just click on the middle section and here on the widget section I will search for the menu. So here you can see these are locked because these are the features of the Elementor Pro plugin. So we are using the free plugin. So I will just insert the Elements Kit nav menu. This is the feature of the Elements Kit plugin. So here it is. And here I will select my menu. So I have already made my menu. So I will just here you can see the menu is not appearing because of the color. So I will just go to the style tab here and I will just here click on menu item and here I will give my item text color white. So here you can see it's now appearing and it's looking good. And then I will just click on here on this internal container on the middle section and I will just make it center and align item center here as well. So on this section here on the right hand side I will just search for a button on my widget section and I will just drag and drop the button here and I will just here I will write a text here, for example sign up. Here it is and then I will just click on this container on the right hand side container and I will just make the justify content center and align item center here as well. Let me just make it on the start here. So it's looking quite good. And here on the internal on the menu section, so the font size is a little smaller. Let me just go to the menu items here and the typography, and let me make this 20. So it's looking now good. And then now just click on here 6 dots here. Just go to the advanced section here and then scroll down. So here we can see the sticky header effect. So we have made the header. So now we will make it sticky. Just enable this one and then click on publish. So now I will just visit my site. So I will just copy this and just visit my site here. Sorry, it's not appearing. So because we have already an header. So let me just go through my dashboard, click on header and footer. And here, let me just delete this header here and let me visit my site now again. So now you can see the header is appearing and it's sticky as well. So here you can see, here it is. So if you want to make it mobile friendly and tablet friendly, so you can do it as well. So just click on here tablet friendly. So here you can see the logo size is too small. Let me make it 100 here on this section here. So you can see it's hamburger appearing. So if you want to make it, so just click on this section here on the internal on the hamburger section and go to the content here. So if you want to make it if you want to just make the hamburger appear on mobile, so just make the responsive breakpoint mobile here. So now you can see pages are appearing, but it's black. So I will just scroll down and here I will click on menu item and here I will make the text color white here as well. And here I will just make the font size little bit small. So for example, here I will make it 40. And I will just go to the content section here and here I will just, for example, I just want to show my this menu or the spacing on the right hand side 8 and on the left hand side 8 as well. So here it is. So now it's looking quite good. And then just go to the mobile section here. So for example, just click on here on this section here on the left hand section and here on the width make it percentage and here just make it 50. So here you can see 50 and here on this section just go to the width here percentage and just make it 50 here as well. And on this section I will just make this one here center here. So hamburger is not appearing here, the color is not appearing. So let me, sorry for that, let me just scroll down. Here you can see hamburger menu here and here let me just make this one here the section hamburger icon color. So let me make it white. So here you can see it's white. So I want to make sure it's appearing on the right hand side. I will just click on this container here and here I will make the align items on the right hand side. So here you can see here it is. When I click on my menu, so nothing is showing here. So I will just make this section. So here you can see mobile wrapper background. Here it is black. So if you want to make the menu spacing, so for example here click on menu items and give it a space of 10 from everywhere. So here you can see item spacing is 10 here, here and here. So everything is now very responsive. So let me just show you again this section and this section. Here you can see just click on publish and now just refresh the site same as it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, kindly ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.